welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you a very quick card that I created for the Christmas All Year collaboration that's hosted by Betty Scrap Passion 01. Before I get started, I wanted to wish everyone a happy Mother's Day. I hope today is filled with lots of love and well spent time with family. I will have the link to Betty's channel as well as the other participants down in the description box below. And so I'm going to jump in and just share with you guys the really quick card that I created. All right, it was really hard to cover the front of this card here. This paper is so very pretty. It is a paper collection by Recollection and it's called Bright Night. And so instead, I decided to just add the word joy to the side of the card. This is very different because I haven't had any elements that kind of cascaded off the side of my cards. And so I really like how it turned out. I did add a gold bow there because it wouldn't be a wreath without adding a bow. And so I really like that as well. And so here's the back of the card here. It's just that really pretty gold, black, and green. I did finish the inside of the cards. You know, if you watch my last video, I did mention that I'm trying to also complete the inside of my cards. And so it says, may your heart be open wide to all the joys of this season. Merry Christmas. And then I have a gold foil frame there that matches the black and gold there. And so yes, I really like how it turned out. Very, very simple, guys. I didn't do a lot with this card, but I still think that it's really cute. And so don't forget to go over and check out the other participants videos today. And thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I'll talk to you in my next crafty video.